Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is RFDHobby and my name is Sean. I want to thank everyone for watching my recent video and sending all those messages of support. It really has helped out myself and my family over the past week. It's been a bit tough, but thankfully we are all now safe and under new roofs, so we're onwards and upwards, I guess. I apologise about the noise and the poor audio on this recording, but yeah, I'm limited with my materials and equipment at the moment, as you can imagine. So, but thanks to everyone for their support. I've had so much of it over the past week, and it has really taken the pain out of what would be otherwise a spiral downwards, I think, for me. When I spoke to you guys last week, I was absolutely convinced that I wouldn't be continuing the channel, at least not for the foreseeable future. So your help has really got me going and really got me motivated to start again, I guess. I am starting from scratch, so I lost absolutely everything. There's a couple of things I did sort of pull out of the room that I've tried to clean up, but unfortunately none of my studio equipment will be usable again. So at this stage I'm just recording on my phone. I don't have any editing, I don't have a computer, so this is going to be pretty rough. But I did want to show you guys, as you've been such a big part of the way this is going at the moment, I wanted to show you guys where I'm up to at this point. So I'll show you where I'm going to be setting up my new space here. It's in the back of the shed, but hopefully this will be all I need to get started. Over the coming weeks I'll show you what I get set up, and hopefully have some projects out as well in the meantime. And so let's have a quick look here. So I'm up in the shed. So it's quite a big shed. So as you can see here, this is not my place, by the way. This is my mum's shed, storage shed, so it is a little bit up the paddock, but this is where I'm going to be setting up my stuff here. It's quite a nice little space. It's got some pretty good lighting. It'll just be this back corner of the shed here, and you should be able to see this sort of come together over the next couple of months as I finally get some new gear and get myself set up. You don't need a lot to get started, obviously. As you can see, I just got some fold-out tables. I got a bit of a tripod I picked up at Kmart, so that's a nice cheap one, but it'll do the job. And yeah, over the coming weeks, hopefully you'll see me get started on this and get things done. Thankfully, I have a little bit of a van over here where I can do late nights and sleep in, so that'll be pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you, everyone, and stay tuned. Subscribe if you can. Thank you to all the people that joined my Patreon, donated to my PayPal, or have participated in the GoFundMe. Thank you very much to Vault the Robot for setting that up for me. I would not have otherwise done that. It's been a hectic week, so I really appreciate everyone messaging me, watching the videos. It's really helping. And yeah, this is just a quick update to let you guys know where I'm at. I am feeling better. I'm looking forward. I was in a bit of a hole last week, but this week, with all your support, I am absolutely moving forward and looking forward to getting some more videos out. Thank you, everyone. Take care and all the best, and I will talk to you soon.